It's Saturday, August 4th, 2012. I'm Tyler Lucas from Creative Technology, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech K750 solar wireless keyboard. As always, let's take a look at what you get inside the box. If we come on over here, we'll see the main box. Just below, a cardboard box that contains everything. The wireless keyboard, a cleaning cloth, and the USB dongle for connection. If we're looking for instructions, simply crack open the cardboard box and see them labeled on top.
Logitech also has an app available so you can monitor the solar energy that's available on the keyboard. You can search for the solar app in the App Store, find it listed. Here you can read a short description as well as see some screenshots that are available for the application. To install it, just click on Free and Install App.
Now that we have the app installed, let's take a look at some of the features of the K750. If we come on over here, one of the first things you realize is really how thin the keyboard is. If we take a look at the front, you'll see there's two solar panels on the left and right side of the keyboard. In terms of functionality, you have keys for brightness, mission control, expose, music control, volume control, as well as a button to check on the power of the solar keyboard. I hope you liked our quick look of the Logitech K750 wireless solar keyboard. From everyone here at Creative Technology, shine on. Got a report on castles due in the morning. Better get started.